Hello, today we're going to read Bennett Cerf's book of Animal Riddles, illustrated by Roy McKee. It's one of the Dr. Seuss series, which is always fun. How do you stop a dog from barking in the back seat of a car? Have him sit in front with you. What animals need to be oiled? Mice do. They squeak. What kind of bird is like a car? A goose is like a car. They both honk. Honk. Honk yourself, it says. When is it bad luck to have a black cat follow you? When you're a mouse. Well, yes, it would be when you're a mouse, wouldn't it? What is a good way to keep a dog off the street? Oh. Put him in a barking lot. Bark all day for 50 cents. Oh, why are fish so smart? Do you know this one? They always go around in schools. Why is it hard to talk with a goat around? Because he always butts in. Funny. What hurts more than a giraffe with a sore throat? A centipede with sore feet. Oh my goodness, that would hurt, wouldn't it? What is gray, has big ears, a long trunk, and weighs only 3 pounds? A very, very, very thin elephant. Oh, that is silly, isn't it? I don't think elephants are ever even born at 3 pounds. That is so small. 10 cats were in a boat. 1 jumped out. How many were left? None were left. All the rest were copycats. That's silly, isn't it? Cats don't like water, so I don't think they would all jump out and follow. Name 6 things smaller than the mouth of an ant. Wow, the mouth of an ant. 6 of his teeth. What kind of pine has the sharpest needles? A porcupine. Ouch. That would have sharp pines. Put 3 ducks in a box. What do you have? A box of quackers. What is it? It has 4 legs. It eats hay. It has a tail. And it sees just as well from either end. A horse with his eyes shut. Funny. What animal can carry the most on his back? The snail. He carries his house on his back. If your dog ate your book, what would you do? I would take the words right out of his mouth. What has 2 heads, 1 tail, 4 legs on one side, and 2 legs on the other side? A horse with a lady riding sideways. Oh, I wouldn't have guessed that one. Would you rather have an elephant chase you or a lion? Neither. I would rather have neither one chasing me. I would rather have the elephant chase the lion. There you go. Yes. Why does a hummingbird hum? Because he doesn't know the words. It looks like he's reading the song. That's funny. How did the turtle keep 3 jumps ahead of the rabbit? He played checkers with the rabbit. When is it all right to drink milk from a saucer? Oop. Parents aren't very happy with that, are they? When you are a cat, yes, then it's okay. What must a stork do to stand on one foot? Hold up the other one. That's silly. Uh-oh. When do you put a frog in your sister's bed? Never, never. You should never put a frog in your sister's bed. When you can't catch a mouse. Oh, no, that would be terrible too. Don't put either one in your sister's bed. No, that's not funny. What must you know before you teach a dog tricks? More than the dog, which I think is pretty easy. We should all know more than dogs. When did the fly fly? When the spider spied her. Why don't you put an ad in the paper when you've lost your dog? Because dogs can't read. You can tell this is an old book because we don't put ads in the newspaper anymore, do we? Which side of a hen has the most feathers? The outside. Oh, that's silly. What is better than a dog that can count? A spelling bee. Oh, do you know what a spelling bee is? A spelling bee is a competition where you see who can spell the most words. But they're showing it as a bumblebee that can spell, which would be super fun. What is it? It has a hump. It is brown. It can go all day without drinking water, and it sings like a canary. I give up. A camel. But a camel doesn't sing like a canary. I know it. I just put that in to make it harder. Oh, no. She just put it in there to make it not make sense. That's what she did. He's all confused. Well, how was I supposed to guess that one? And that's the end. I like these little animals, the characters. They're fun. I like the illustrations. Very fun. Okay, that was Bennett Cerf's book of Animal Riddles in the Dr. Seuss series. So thank you again for joining me as we read. It's always a pleasure to read with you. I love you so much. See you next time. Bye.